Why is this? There's a raptor. Oh my god, it's getting gangbanged by the trikes. No, don't kill him. Oh, they killed him. Fuck. What's up, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of ARK. If you liked the video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment on what you think I should do in my next video. It's just nighttime right now, so I'll get started making tranking arrows, because we are going to the island over there. And we're gonna tame that carno we saw in episode 2, I think. So I have just been leveling up. Like, I've been playing a little bit, like leveling up. I haven't really done anything, built anything. I'm just trying to level up so we could make the saddle for the carno and get some get some of the strong dinosaurs so we can play a little bit more. Like, so we are going after the artifacts and stuff. I don't know, I have to do some research. I think you need the artifacts to unlock the boss battles, but I'm not sure. I think some of the items you need is like when you kill like a Bronto or a T-Rex or something, you get like a trophy. I think that's what you need also, but you need the artifacts too. But I'm not sure. I'll just make a saddle for the bird, and we can go look. This doesn't need berries. It needs like it needs meat. And I have some spoiled meat for the tranking arrows. So let's go see what we need to unlock this first one. I think the red one will be the first one, but then we're going like red, blue, and green. Red, blue, and green. Maybe we will go red, green, and then blue, because that's the one that's like the furthest away. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if you have to take them in a specific order, or you just like have to. I don't know. Yeah, okay, we need the artifacts. Ah, okay, it's like, so how much? 55, 75, okay. So that's level 1 basically, and then level 2 and 3. And then you'll need the brain, Allosaurus brain. Okay, but the first one, can we get the artifacts and then complete this one, and then complete the other one, the next one, level 2 and 3? We have to find out. I want to see what's open that drop. Is that the, wow. For a second I thought, that's a raptor. No. I did not see that guy. We actually need, okay, come. I will be back taming you. There must be something good in here. Okay, that was quite basic. Metal. Okay, we have to go get some metal. Maybe I should just take a quick trip over there and just get some metal, not all of it. Was that a scorpion down there? No. Okay. For a second it looked like the scorpion. I think there's a bunch of metal up here, I'm not sure. On this mountain. Yep. And that one, I wanna... Oh my god, that was... Could you see how fucking spooked I was? Like... Wow. I can almost see nothing. There's 2 raptors ganging up on that guy. And they killed him. Oh my god, I didn't. Oh my god. I'm standing up. No. Well, I just got fucked. So I think I have everything else I need for the saddle for the other one. The leather, wood, fiber, thatch. Theron. I'll just put everything else in. This I will stay in that weight. So I will need to tame another one of those. Oh my god, this one is so slow. I'm having a heat stroke in the rain. That makes sense. Those raptors, did they just eat my saddle and everything? Left nothing for me. Am I standing on it? Well, oh my. This one is dying too. I didn't feed them at all. My animals is just like dying. Well, I just wasted like I don't know how much meat I gave the other Theron, but what is your name? You're a Parsaurus. Oh, okay. Okay. I need. Do you have any? You don't? Let's get some. Blackberries. So we can get some narcotics. So we can tame the carno. So I found out that like when my other bird died by the raptors, I was like, what the fuck? Why? How did it knock me off my bird that quick? It was like instantly. And I found out, look at this. I'm pressing C to do the spinning attack. And it just falls off the bird. And it just fucking goes to sleep. Like, what? So, if anybody knows what's wrong, please tell me in the comments how to fix this. Because that's weird. I'm almost in a fully ghillie suit, but I couldn't find the last organic polymer. So, I'm starving. There we go. And I have 36 tranking arrows for the carno. That should be enough. Maybe I should bring this guy to do the rest, if that's not enough. So, let's go. Alright, so the carno should be here somewhere. This was where I last saw him. He was attacking something over this hill. Maybe. He probably died to those. Just there goes. Where is my carno? It'd be nice if like the animals like could see, okay, I'm gonna lose that battle, so I'm not gonna pick a fight with these guys. I did not just get stuck. Okay. I kinda cheated my way out of that. I have to go look for a carno somewhere else, because I really want a carno. Those like the stego and the trigo that are just like stuck all the time. That stego was stuck over here last time I checked on it. What is this? There's a raptor! Oh my god, it's getting gangbanged by the trikes! No, don't kill him! Oh, they killed him. Fuck. Okay, change some plans. We are gonna tame that Spino that is just hiding behind this hill. I don't know if we have enough tranking arrows, but we're gonna find out. I don't know what level he is. Maybe I should check that. How would you make it spyglass? So we have equipped ourselves a spyglass. Now we're gonna check out what level that Spino is. If he's above 5, I think I won't be able to do it with the tranking arrows. But if he's like 5 and below, we have a chance. Where did the Spino go? Oh, he's over there. And 4. 21. Okay. Oh, there's another one. What, level 20? Is that a male too? Oh, that's a male too. I would like to get a female. But I have nothing to like kill anything to get prime meat, so I kind of want the Spino because then I can go get some prime meat, and if it's female I can use it to get kibble. I don't know what Spino kibble is used for, but I know that Spino kibble is good. So there should be a Spino over here. There you are. 21. That's a male too. Is there like no females around here? Oh, there's another. There's Spinos everywhere. Level 7. I'm gonna go for that. Can it get up here? Spino. Oh damn. If you can get up here. Okay, you can. Or maybe not. What the fuck is just breaking his leg? Did that one just attack it? Oh, okay. It's running away. Oh, I can stand up here. It won't be able to get up here. And nice. Oh, he dodged that one. Okay. Where is this spine? Yeah, nice. Oh no. Oh no. Please, 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 please. Rom, prime me. Please don't. No. 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 Okay, I have a feeling that all my birds is just dying. Like, it would be so cool if like she falls down over there. Am I like hitting it? It's nice. That is not an alpha raptor up there, is it? Okay, wild female raptor. I'll just get my stuff from this. Mind my own business over here, and then this is level 7. So don't know if that would be able to take down. Do I have any normal arrows? I do. Please just don't do anything. Give you the prime meat. But I have to find out how big this thing is, because I'll probably just have to put down 5 or 6 foundations. Holy shit, that thing is massive. That thing is freaking huge. So we ended up losing my 2 birds, but that's not like a big deal. I can just... I don't know why they go to sleep all the time. That's weird. Because every time I use the C command, it just instantly goes to sleep. And you saw when I was biting that thing, I don't know what it's called, but when I was biting it, it's just like, went to sleep. So that's kind of a downer. But I found the place that I want to build a base. That flat area up there is just insane. Like, that's cool. It's just a tiny Spino on my back. And then I press F 2 times. It just becomes fucking massive. And then I have to press E on this, and then it like stops. And then I can't do it. I don't know if like... Is that full health? $9.37. $9.37. So if I press E on this one, you can see the health bar is red. So I don't know if 9.37. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. Melee damage, and I will just give it another melee damage because we want this one to be a beast. So in the beginning of the video, I was saying like we need to tame a carno, but that ended up being a Spino. So in the next episode, we will make a saddle for this one and go tame a carno, I guess. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment on what you think I should do in my next video. See you in the next one.